Hey guys, I'm BadMark and I'm currently 900 blocks up in the air, and the reason for that is that I have this unit of a slime tower right behind me, and the way I generated it is by using a tool that I created, and it's available on my website, which allows you to create slime towers of basically any size and type. So what I want to show you today is a few types of them. So this is the first one. As you can see, it moves actually, so it is alive. It's not just something that is static, and it's without mods, of course. But also, you can create towers out of magma cubes. I haven't forgotten about them. And here we are in the nether, and actually the problem with the nether is that it's too short for the towers. As you can see, our magma cube is not really enjoying it. Yeah, I guess it's not enjoying it at all because it died. So let's see what's happening at the top. And you can see here that our tower got split into half by the ceiling of the nether. And now we have one at the top. So probably the nether is not the best place for tall towers, although they get tall really fast. So another tower that you can make is a tornado, which goes from the smallest slime to the largest. And a third type is just to make them all the same size. Now these ones aren't actually the same size, they just look like it. The size difference is really small. Okay, so here we are on my website, and let's generate another slime tower. I'm gonna choose slime, and I'm gonna choose 5 for the height. This is gonna create 5 slimes stacked on top of each other. And the order is descending, so it goes from largest at the bottom to smallest at the top. Ascending means that it goes from largest at the top to smallest at the bottom. So basically it changes order into a tornado, basically, like what you've seen earlier in the video. You can also choose magma cube, of course, or if you can decide, you can choose half slime and half magma cube. And another option that you have is random. So it's going to randomly select the slime type for you. It could be a magma cube, it could be a slime. You never know until you summon the command. As for the size, you can also select just a fixed size. If you select the fixed size option, make sure you choose the size that you want. So let's say 5. Now, as you might know, programmers and map makers start counting from 0, so 5 is basically 4. I've just made it so it's simpler to understand, and there you have it. There's also a few other commands on my website.